Today, we will look at how to conduct employee evaluations in Odoo 18. Performance appraisal is an important process for tracking employee development, setting clear goals, and recognizing achievements. Thanks to the Odoo Appraisals app, you can simplify the entire process, from self-assessment to manager feedback, goal setting, and skill updates. Let's open the appraisal module and examine its main dashboard. Here, you see all employees, their positions, and appraisal statuses. In list mode, the status of each appraisal is clearly marked, so you can immediately see who is awaiting review and who has already been evaluated. To set the appraisal frequency, go to Configuration and click Settings. In the Appraisal Plan section, define how often appraisals will be conducted. You can set up automatic creation of the first appraisal 6 months after the employee's start date, then another 6 months later, and thereafter annually. Enable the 360-degree feedback feature to allow evaluations not only from the manager, but also from colleagues. Save the changes. Next, set up the appraisal template according to the company's needs. To do this, in the Appraisal Template section, click on the internal link. In the My Work section, you can add or change employee feedback and questions. Don't forget to save changes. To create the appraisal structure, return to the Appraisal module and in the Configuration section, select Evaluation Scale. Click New and enter a name. For example, create a scale named Best Employee and save it. It will appear in the list during evaluation. Now, let's create the appraisal itself. Go to the Appraisals tab and click New. Select the employee to evaluate, for example, Abigail Peterson. The appraisal dates and deadline are set automatically, usually 1 month from today. Click Confirm to activate the appraisal. Next, open the Manager Feedback section. Add your comments and rate the employee using the STAR system. For example, if the employee manages time excellently, give 5 stars. Enable the Show to Employee option so they can see your feedback, but others cannot. Now let's add goals. At the top of the page, click Goals, then New Goal. Enter a name, for example, make a presentation. Update progress if needed, set a deadline, and save. Employees can also add their own goals during self-assessment. The appraisal period is a good time to update employee skills. Go to the Skills tab. Odoo automatically pulls existing skills from the Employees module. To update the level, click on a skill, for example, CSS, programming languages, and change the level from intermediate to advanced. All changes are automatically reflected in the employee's profile. When all goals and feedback are ready, schedule an appraisal meeting. Click the No Meeting button, select a date and time, and save. The meeting date will appear in the appraisal card and calendar. Managers can also leave private notes for internal use on the Private Notes tab. These records are visible only to managers. In the Final Evaluation field, select a value from the created scale, for example, Good, and mark the appraisal as completed. Now it is saved in the system. You can also manage appraisals directly from the Employees module. To do this, go to the Employees module and open the necessary profile. If it's time for an appraisal, a Request Appraisal button will appear at the top. From here, you can create or update an appraisal, just like in the Appraisals module. And that's how you manage the employee appraisal process in Odoo 18. From creating templates and scales to setting goals, providing feedback, and updating skills. Odoo makes this process simple, structured, and efficient for both managers and employees. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss new tips on Odoo.